This video is for entertainment purposes only and isn't financial advice. Fundamentally, Chainlink is a juggernaut, a freight train ready to rip shit up. That said, it is going to be a journey. Don't expect insane X's in a short burst. You are going to have to maintain the patience and steel hands the Link community is famous for. Marines, friends, you might want to listen up. Swinging Link. It is tantamount to treason within the ranks, I get it, but let's face facts, it hasn't been fun holding Link in recent days and weeks. This is the 1 month chart on Chainlink. It's especially not fun when you see guys flooding beers and Twitter screaming from the rooftops about how many X's they've made from absolute shitcoins like Hex and other shit. We all have a strong belief as Marines that Link will eventually give us make it money and retirement in the Caribbean, sipping cocktails with a couple of sexy chicas. But in terms of the price, it has stalled out. So the reason I'm making this is because while Link has enormous potential, it may be time to sell now and try and buy in cheaper. Who doesn't want more Link? Answer: no Marine would complain. So at ease, Marines. The month of May has been a frustrating one. The price in US dollar terms has essentially been static between $3.60 to $3.85. In Sats value, it has been bleeding though. You can't help thinking that sometimes the grass, aka gains, might be greener on the other side. We're all profit-seeking actors after all. One thing to think about, some analysts see Link showing strong signs for a bearish reversal. One particular trader, CryptoCurrencies _ has tweeted recently that Link could be facing what would be a soul-crushing 70% reversal to $1 or even less. Many Link Marines are famed for their iron fists, and it's commendable. But what if you could sell now for $3.83 and buy 3 times as much Link a bit later on? The price might have changed, but the fundamentals remain the same, and you'll have a sack of Link that is 3 times larger than what you have now. If you're thinking, well, this is just some random fodder from crypto Twitter, CryptoCurrencies _ has a solid track record seeing trends and reading the tea leaves. For example, he called BTC going to around $3,000 in early 2020, and he was a sole voice in the ether saying that, but he was proven correct. He also suggested XRP could bottom out around 11 to 13 cents, which it did, so this guy is to be taken seriously and isn't some mug. Into the Block, a blockchain analytics provider, indicated that there was much more selling pressure than bullish volume on Chainlink. We also have the Bitcoin Halving. That event is going to pull focus from alts to the corn. There is also talk that the volatility surrounding the block halving with Bitcoin will take a sledgehammer to altcoins, Chainlink included. Let's look at the positives. It isn't easy looking at emerging technologies and accurately forecasting the future value of a project that may have utility and growing adoption, but does not have the standard metrics used for valuation. To say it isn't easy is actually an understatement. It's darn near impossible. Fundamentals. Positive indicators for Link tokens such as GitHub dev activity and Google Trends have trended strongly upwards for the past several months. That's not smoke up your ass, that's the fact. The market is bearish though, no doubt about it. Long term, I think Link is a hold. By 2022, I see Link reaching at least $25, possibly a lot more. So a sharp downward trend could be your ticket to a much larger bag and 3x greater returns down the line. If you start to see FUD raise its head, fight that negativity with positivity. Wear your blue heart on your sleeve and man the F up. But also be realistic. Imagine Link being down $1 or $1.50 and you didn't sell for $3.83. The chance of Link jumping to $5 compared to the chance of it slumping to $1.50, probably more likely it's going to slump to $1.50. Hard truths, the school of hard knocks. I just don't like seeing my fellow Marines getting wrecked when they could potentially add a lot more cube action to their stacks. What do you think? Do you think Link is going to take a hit soon? Has the recent lack of price action in recent days giving you itchy feet? And what price are you expecting for Link end of year 2020, end of year 2021? Comment, subscribe, like, follow me on Twitter, CryptoFrog202. Stack the Chad. Peace.